Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
You begin by confirming your account and backup state. Sign into the exact Google account that held the video. Once signed in, open the Google Photos app or Photos. Google.com and check the trash. Deleted videos remain up to 60 days. If you don't see it, make sure backup and sync was enabled on the device at the time of recording, because without that backup, the file may not have been uploaded to Google's servers. Next, search precisely. Use the date range, type the file name, or apply the video's filter to narrow results. Once located, select the video and tap Restore from Trash to return it to your library, or choose Download to save a local copy. If the video isn't in Photos, inspect device folders or the backup partner accounts. Sometimes the file sits in a phone folder named DSIM or WhatsApp, and restoring from there is faster and more reliable. Finish by confirming the restored video plays correctly. Play it in Google Photos and then save a second copy locally. If the video remains missing, export your Google Photos data with Google Takeout or check any device backups you created earlier. If recovery fails, sign out and back into Google Photos, clear app cache, and retry the search. These steps refresh sync metadata and often reveal items that were invisible before. If problems persist, restore from a device.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.